Hey, aloha guys. My name is Lloyd. I'm a proud senior trainer with Off-Leash Canine Training Hawaii. This is my little buddy Bingo, the 7-month-old mini golden doodle. He got placed in our famous 3-week community board and train program, and he's going to be attending the American Kennel Club Canine Good Citizens Test with me. We had a lot of work to do to get him to the point where he was stable in any environment. He came a long ways in only 3 weeks of training. Let's rewind back in time and show you some of the problems that he displayed before he started training with me. Ready to roll, buddy? Let's go. Come on. Bingo had attended lessons with me previously, so he did know a little bit about the sit command, but I wanted to build him up to the point where he'd follow through with that command in any environment and get him to do it off leash. Because Bingo had done lessons previously, he did know the place command, but there's always room for improvement, right? The goal with the 3-week board and train program was to push Bingo to get the very best out of him. You'll see a huge difference by the end of this video. Little man's recall was actually pretty good. Generally, if you call him, he'd return to you in an indoor environment. The goal was to get Bingo outside in real-time distractions and have him proof so he'd follow through with the recall command no matter where we were. The down command is the most submissive command that you can give a dog. As you can see here, Bingo did know the down command, but again, he had selective hearing, meaning that he wouldn't always follow through with the command. Especially if he was in an outdoor environment with lots of distractions, Bingo just wouldn't lay down. One of the biggest problems that Bingo's owners were facing were Bingo's lack of a heel command. Generally, he went where he wanted to go. He went at the speed he wanted to go, and he just wouldn't listen to his owner. 7-month-old puppy, everything in life was brand new to him, so he was usually distracted, meaning that he was pulling from left to right. He was cutting his owners off. Walks with Bingo just were not easy. Another area we needed to focus on and show great signs of improvement was with Bingo's door manners. Generally, when a door opened up, he took it as an invite to exit. He had no problem bailing out. See you later, buddy. Through lots of hard work, dedication, and heart, Bingo not only became off-leash, he was ready to tackle his American Kennel Club Canine Good Citizen Test.
brought Bingo in, he didn't have any confidence at all. Whenever there'd be other dogs, he'd be really scared and he'd bark at them, or he just would shy away. And door manners, non-existent. He couldn't heel at all. Like, walking was kind of a nightmare, but getting him back, he's like a completely changed dog. I definitely recommend Lauren and Off Leash Canine. They did a tremendous job building his confidence and just teaching him how to simply walk outside with us without him not cutting us off or barking at other dogs. It's pretty amazing, yeah. So definitely recommend.